All right, guys, I wanted to go over with you how to download the data files for the textbook so you can work through the different lessons in the textbook. In order to do this, go to the content area of the course, go down to the module you're working on, choose the Read/View section, and then look for the module number lesson files link. I'll click this and it will download a zip folder. Because I'm using Google Chrome, it's showing up in the bottom left-hand corner. If you're using a different browser or a PC, this might look a little bit different, but just know that you need to go to the download section on your computer or in the browser in order to get to this zip file. I'll go ahead and open this up in my system, and you can see it took me to my downloads section where I can see that downloaded zip file. In order to work with a zip file, you have to first extract it. If you're a PC user, you need to right-click on the zip file and choose Extract All. If you're on a Mac like I am, you need to double-click and it will extract it and open it up in a new folder. Inside of this folder, you can see that I have different files related to each of the lessons in the textbook. The only one that's weird is lesson 00, and that's because this is a section right before lesson 1 in the textbook called A Quick Tour of Adobe Illustrator. So just know that that one's a little bit weird. From here, what I recommend is that you create a folder for this class where you keep all of these different data files, your assignments, or anything you create for this class. So I'm going to go ahead and move this data files folder over there. And just because I like to keep things a little bit clean and organized, I'm going to put module 1 data files. And there we go.